Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered about the simple pencil you use every day? It looks small, cheap, and odd. But what if I told you this tiny object has a history of 500 years ago? Welcome to Time Behind Materials, where we explore hidden stories behind everything. Today, we uncover the journey of a pencil. Before pencil existed, how did people write? Did they use pens? Ink? Not exactly. Thousands of years ago, people used charcoal, chalk, and even metal rods to write on walls and surfaces. Writing was not easy. It was messy, hard, and sometimes permanent. One mistake and it stayed forever. Now, the world without erasing mistakes sounds scary, right? That's why the invention of pencil changed everything. The real story begins in 15th century in England after a huge storm. Trees were uprooted and beneath them people discovered something unusual. A black material, smooth and dark. This is a graphite. At first, people thought it was lead. That's why even today, we still call it a pencil lid, even though there's no lid inside. People started using graphite by cutting into sticks. They wrapped it in cloth or string to hold it, and it became writing. But there was a problem. It broke easily and made hands dirty. And this was difficult to control. And then came the turning point. In 1795, a French scientist, Nicolas Jacques-Conti, found a solution. He mixed graphite with clay. He baked into furnace. This created something amazing. A stronger, smoother, and relatable pencil. Now, for the first time, people could control how dark or light the writing was. This was how different types of pencil was born. HB, 2B, and 4H. Each one designed for different purpose. Soon, pencil became popular all around the world. Factories started producing them in large numbers. Wood was added to protect the graphite and made it easy to hold. The modern pencil was born. Countries like Germany and United States became leaders in pencil production. Companies like Faber-Castell started pencils 100 of years ago and still continue today. Now here's something amazing. One single pencil can draw a line up to 56 kilometers long. That's longer than many cities. It can also write around 45,000 words. Incredible, right? For such a small object. And guess what? Pencil can even work in space? Yes. Astronaut use pencil because ink pens don't work properly in zero gravity. Today, pencils are everywhere in school, office, art studio, even in digital world filled with smartphones and computers. Pencils are still survive. Why? Because they are simple, cheap, and relatable and easy to use. No battery, no charging, just pure simplicity. So next time, if you hold a pencil, look at it closely. It's not just a tool. It's a history. It's invention. It's journey that started centuries ago and continues even today. From a storm in England to classroom around the world, the pencil has truly came a long way. This is the magic of everyday object. Thanks for watching the Time Behind Materials. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more amazing stories hidden in the world. Thank you.